Tightening a loose bottom Z wiper on the Onefinity CNC. Start on the back of the Z slider and remove all 8 bolts with an M4 hex key. Remove the ball nut using an M3 hex key by removing the 2 bolts on top of it. Move the spindle mount down on the Z slider into a position where the ball nut can be separated from the mount. Now slide the spindle mount down and begin spinning the plastic wiper into its correct position. Once the wiper is almost tight, you can use a small hex key to tighten it the rest of the way. The white plastic wiper should be completely enveloped in the ball nut on the ball screw. Using a 1.5mm hex key, tighten the grub screw on the ball nut and repeat on the opposite side to secure the wiper. We can now replace the bolts on the ball nut and tighten with the M3 hex key. Lastly, replace the 8 bolts on the back of the Z slider and tighten with an M4 hex key. This concludes tightening the bottom Z wiper on the Onefinity CNC.